Somewhere in the shadowy depths of our oceans, a creature drifts vertically like a ribbon of silver dancing in an endless blue. Meet the oarfish, a real-life sea serpent that has fascinated explorers, scientists, and myth makers for centuries. Today we're diving into the mystery surrounding this elusive giant of the deep. From its bizarre body shape to the legends it has inspired, welcome to All Things Oarfish. Let's uncover the facts, the theories, and the jaw-dropping details about one of the ocean's most mystifying residents. Oarfish are part of the Regalicidae family and include the famously large giant oarfish, Regalicis glesna. We're talking about a fish so long it can grow to 36 feet long, which is just about the length of a school bus. Despite its enormous size, its body is incredibly thin and ribbon-like, which is why it's sometimes called the ribbon fish. If you've ever thought sea monsters were only in tall tales, think again. Many experts believe old-time sea serpent legends arose from sailors catching fleeting glimpses of giant oarfish near the surface. Unlike most fish, oarfish have a strikingly reflective silver sheen and no visible scales. Their dorsal fin runs their entire length of their body, topping it with a stunning crest-like appearance near their head. Some species have long, trailing fin rays extending from that crown, giving them a regal or even alien look. Oarfish mouths are surprisingly tiny relative to their bodies, no sharp teeth to be found there. This means they primarily feed on small crustaceans, plankton, and occasionally small fish or squid. Sorry to disappoint any horror movie fans, but oarfish are not the man-eating monsters their size might suggest. Most fish swim horizontally, but oarfish are known to orient themselves vertically, head up, tail down. Scientists theorize they do this to stay hidden from predators, using the narrow silhouette to appear nearly invisible when viewed from above or below. What's really mesmerizing is how the oarfish uses its lengthy dorsal fin to move. They undulate that fin in gentle waves, propelling themselves through the water with surprising grace, like an underwater flag dancing in the current. Their preference for depths of up to 3,300 feet and the fact that they don't surface often means close encounters with this animal are extremely rare. Most sightings come from accidental strandings or footage captured by remote submarines like ROVs. Perhaps the most common way humans encounter oarfish is when they wash ashore, often near the end of their lives. The biggest puzzle? These stranded individuals frequently turn up with their tail sections missing, and not necessarily because something bit them off. Scientists suspect that oarfish, similar to certain lizards, may actually perform autonomy, willingly discarding of part of their tail. Why they do this remains unclear, but it could be a defense mechanism or a response to an injury. Another legend is that oarfish beaching themselves predicts earthquakes. While many people have jumped to the conclusion that these strandings foretell seismic events, recent studies have shown no conclusive link. It's a compelling story, but the data just doesn't add up. Marine biologists are just beginning to uncover the finer details of oarfish biology. Advances in deep-sea robotics and submersible cameras are helping us glimpse these creatures alive in their natural habitat. Recently, a few ROV missions have captured short clips showing that oarfish are more agile than we once thought, occasionally even traveling in pairs or small groups. Genetic sampling has also revealed that different oarfish species may be more widespread than previously believed, with some populations crossing entire oceans. Each discovery seems to raise more questions than it answers, one reason the oarfish remains so enthralling. In Japanese folklore, the oarfish is actually known as the messenger from the sea god's palace. Perhaps that's why they're so closely tied to superstition and natural disasters. But for scientists, each specimen offers a rare chance to learn more about the deep sea's hidden inhabitants. Although the oarfish is not typically fished or eaten, and it's even considered inedible by many due to its gelatinous flesh, protecting the ocean's health ensures that rare creatures like this continue to thrive. They may not be a commercial fish, but they are a vital piece of the marine puzzle. Each deep-sea species plays a role in the ocean's food web and overall biodiversity. Plus, every time an oarfish surfaces or washes ashore, it sparks a worldwide wave of awe. Their mysterious appearance reminds us how little we truly know about the hidden realms beneath the waves and how important it is to protect them. In 2013, beachgoers in California were shocked to discover a nearly 18-foot oarfish washed up on the shore, attracting a massive crowd. Imagine casually sunbathing only to see a creature the length of a bus lying in the sand. Historically, sailors have confused the oarfish with sea serpents. Stories circulated about monstrous leviathans lurking beneath the surface. Turns out it was just a mild-mannered plankton snacker. There's Speculation that oarfish might have reflective or bioluminescent qualities. While no conclusive evidence supports full-on bioluminescence, their shiny scales can reflect light from submersibles, creating a ghostly glow in the darkness. And there you have it, one of the ocean's most captivating mysteries. Whether it's the oarfish's monumental size, its rare self-severing tail, or the legends it's inspired, there's no denying that this is a creature that fires our imagination. It reminds us of how vast, wondrous, and still unexplored our oceans truly are. If you enjoyed this deep dive into all things oarfish, give this video a like, share it with your friends, your marine life enthusiasts, and subscribe for more deep sea discoveries. Feel free to comment down below what animal you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring all things marine life.